But I'm not cutting this. My husband's going to cut it. So I'm going to let him come over here and do this. Because if not, this will be a completely different video than just cutting and eating it. So, this is my husband. He's a little shy, but don't mind him.
So we doing this or what?
Yeah, let's do it.
Or are we waiting?
For what? Cut it. Let's just see.
All right.
Yes, we're going to save this and replant a whole nother one. Right.
What you think?
I mean, it looks good. It smells good, y'all. It smells really good. Here we go. Oh, shit. It's like butter.
Tastes like pineapple.
It tastes like pineapple, but it's sweet. And it, like, just falls apart. Holy shit. I highly recommend you buy one pineapple or some seeds and grow your own from the top, because this is great. There you have it. It was worth it. 6 years, it was worth it. Yes, it is very sweet. And yes, we were successful. Watch all the other videos so you can figure out why the hell it took us 6 years to do this. But it was totally worth it. Oh, and if you haven't already, go follow my other page, What's Been Better podcast. All right, we're out.